So our wire got hit. It's supposed to go down this strike. I'm gonna open up a hole here, put the junction down there, and run a new wire down to the bottom. All right, so we cut the hole out, we pulled the wire back through, and we put this frame and they tore it up. So the hole's right here. We're gonna take the paddle bit and we're gonna make some room so we can pull the wire down, and then we're gonna shoot it down this frame so we won't have any further problems. All right, so we paddled it out. Pass that wire through, take that junction up there. All right, so we just matched it up, color for color. We're gonna tuck it back in the wall. We saved that drywall piece, and now we just gotta fish that wire. Like before, we're gonna tie a washer to the string, drop it down that rail, and we'll fish it down with a magnet. Just like that. There it is. Tie it to the string, pull it through. There it is. Done deal. Just a drywall patch now.